Hi guys, so this is my presentation. I decided to go with the psychological effects that cats have on humans. This is by myself, Amanda Brown, starring our cat Snickers, and I hope you enjoy all these super adorable pictures. So, how our relationship began. So, with human and feline relationship, that began around 10,000 to 12,000 years ago through the need of pest control through agriculture. We had cats chasing off mice and rats in our crop fields. And then eventually, this working relationship grew into a companionship. So, what research suggests is overall studies show that owning a cat improves psychological health as well as general health. Cats help our mental health simply just by being themselves. Um, their ability to lower stress, give companionship, heal us with their purrs, and offer their services as therapy animals makes them ideal for mental health. Purring is helpful for healing, lowering blood pressure, and helping people cope with illness. By petting your cat, your body experiences lowered stress hormones like cortisol, and the act of caring and playing with your cat gives a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment, and it can relieve mild depression symptoms. And my final thoughts on this is with this knowledge, I mean, how can you not imagine life without a cat? Because I sure can't. And then understanding the research behind how they affect our psychological and well being and our overall health has given a greater respect to these animals. Based on my research, everyone should have a cat, not because of just their cute and cuddliness, but because of their impacts on our health. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much and take care. Bye.